All right, this is an original, unmodified, uncorrupted Ender 3. This is how it came in the box. As you can see, it has the original plastic extruder. That was the original extruder that came on this printer 6.5 years ago. We have the original white Bowden tube. I don't want to ever change it to the blue Bowden tube for a reason. This is the hot end. Okay. In order to show the easiest way to check for a clog is to run the hot end. So what I've done is I've heated the nozzle to 210. Okay, that's how it starts out. The nozzle's at 210. The bed is non-heated. I've never needed to heat the bed ever in 6.5 years. But in order to check for a clog, you need to load filament, preferably white. It doesn't need to be any other color. White is good. So what we've done is we've loaded the filament here. It's going into the extruder here, down the Bowden tube, and into the hot end. So the quickest way to check for any clogs is to either add this knob, and then you can manually turn it and run filament through the nozzle. And as you can see, that worked. To do it mechanically, all right, we're going to go over here to move axis. See where it says move axis? And then we go all the way down to extruder. Now this can only happen when you heat the nozzle to at least 200 degrees Celsius. So we're going to run the extruder. All right. Now we're going to run it at 1 millimeter, not 0.1. That's too slow. 1 is good. So when I hit the 1 millimeter, now it says the extruder has extruded 0. All right. And we're going to run out manually a line of filament. We want to see if indeed the nozzle is clogged. So as you can see, it's extruding properly. If there's any breaks in the filament, if it pauses, if it tends to look choppy, but this is coming out as one continuous stream of filament. So it's not clogged. You know that for sure. Then you just move on. You try something else. But if it comes out as one continuous string, all right, and it's wadding up there on the platform, on the base, then it's not a clog. You move on to something else. Find some other issue. All right, the extruder's turning. You can see it there. It's pulling filament from here through here, down the Bowden tube, and onto the print surface. That's as simple as 3D printing is. It needs to be as close to the surface, to the printing surface, like it's troweling it down. All right? So there you go. That's as easy as it is to check for a clog. All right, happy printing.